feels so weird. Here we go. I'm nervous, bro. Yeah. This drop's about to be insane backwards. Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my god! That was so insane, but I'm gonna throw up if I do that again. That was one of the most intense things ever, Drew.
You have proven yourself.
The drop, like every single drop on that ride felt 10 times more insane backwards.